rien de rien. Non, je ne regrette rien.
Bonjour à tous. In this video, we are going to discuss how to make a noun feminine in French. This is the second part of the video. If you haven't watched the first part, I recommend you to watch it. The link is given on the description box. In most cases, the feminine is indicated by an "a" at the end of the noun. The feminine and masculine noun are pronounced in the same way if the masculine form ends with a vowel. Let's look at some examples. Un employé, une employée. In this case, although an extra "a" is added to the feminine form, the pronunciation for both the forms remains same. Similarly, un ami, une amie. If the masculine form ends in a consonant, adding "a" changes the pronunciation of the feminine form. For example, un français, une française, un marchand, une marchande. Sometimes an accent can be added to make a noun feminine. Un boucher, une bouchère, un infirmier, une infirmière. The final consonant can be doubled to make a noun feminine. Un paysan, une paysanne, un chien, une chienne. Sometimes the ending of the word can change more dramatically. Un maître, une maîtresse, un jumeau, une jumelle. Some masculine nouns ending with "a" do not change in the feminine form. Un adulte, une adulte. In this case, the only way to identify the gender of the noun is to look at the article it takes. For example, une refers to the feminine noun and a refers to the masculine noun. Similarly, un artiste, une artiste. In certain cases, the masculine noun and its feminine form have very different endings. Un loup, une louve. Similar to English, these two forms can be based on quite different nouns. Un homme, une femme. Un cheval, une jument. As you know, in French grammar, there are a lot of exceptions. I strongly recommend you to practice well and look it up in a dictionary whenever you have a doubt about the gender of a noun. This will help you to understand the pattern really well and you will never make a mistake again. That's it for today's video. Merci et au revoir.